Hello friend, this video is about how to set up your My Business application for multiple members. So first of all, you need to go to My Business menu. Here you can create a new business. Let's create a test one. Fill the rest of the email details. So we have created test one business, set it active. So all of the data will show regarding where will be get from the test one business. So to add members, go to my business, select the business, manage members. Currently I am the only one here as admin. Click on plus button. If the user you are going to add already exists on my business application, I mean they have already signed up my business application, then you will select existing user and just put the email and select the role you wanna give. If this user doesn't exist in my business database, then create a new user. Here you, in this case, you will set a email and password, so it will create a new account, and further he can change his password and set his name as well. So let's create a new user, test user 1 at gmail.com, password let's say 12345 6, and it's a normal user and we want to give some permissions. Let's save this. So our next member has been added. So ask this member to install the My Business application on their phone and log in with this testuser1 at gmail.com and 12345 password. Further, he can change his password from update profile and update his name as well. So that's all. Rest all of the usage is same like Salesbook application. From their YouTube channel you can see further usage of this application. Thank you.